everybody, and thank you for watching the Wealth Guard Show. I'm your host, Tom White. Well, it was an up day in Wall Street today with stocks up across the board. Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 81 points to 12,279. Volume was light, though, on stocks, and that's not a good sign, as I pointed out over the weekend. Did have a couple stocks, though, with some high volume, wanted to talk to you about. And Schlumberger is the first stock I wanted to talk about here. It's an old favorite of mine, oil service stock. Closed up to $94.36 today on very high volume. We had over 13.5 million shares today, and we're usually trading around average daily volume of 8,300,000 shares. Schlumberger's chart's looking pretty good too. Let's take a look at that. And the chart's looking strong. Point 1 shows stochastics are positive, and they're reaching towards that overbought territory at 80. We did give it a green mark as it's still continuing on higher. Point 2 shows the MACDs are strong, and the histogram bars, they're surging. They just moved a lot higher today. Up top, point 3 shows that the relative strength index is lifting higher up toward the 70 lines. We gave that a green mark as well. There's a little bit of resistance up there by the red line, up around 95 or so, but I don't think it's going to pose much of a problem here with this stock. Down below, point 4 shows that we had some very strong volume over the past 2 days here on this rise. And that's noteworthy since we've had light volume across the board in the past 2 weeks here in the stock market as we're reaching toward the end of the quarter. But there is buying and interest in this sector, though, and pointed this out over the weekend in the report that I did. And the second stock I wanted to talk about was Sohu.com. Some of you may remember this stock. It was an original stock in the IBD 50 portfolio that we're doing. And after dropping off a little bit here and selling it out of the portfolio, it's recovered very nicely. And we see today, too, that it was up over 7, almost 8%. The stock was up to $89.60. That closed up $6.49 on triple the normal volume. Makes me think something's going on here with this stock. Chart's looking real good, too. Point 1 down below shows stochastics. They're rising, and they're also reaching toward the 80 level like the Schlumberger stock was. We gave that a green mark, and up top, point 2 shows MACDs. They're positive, and the histogram bars are strong. We gave that a green mark as well. Up on top, the relative strength index at point 3 shows that we're reaching for the 70 mark, and we gave that a green mark. Have a little bit of resistance up ahead around 90. We're just about there, so we're going to keep a close eye out on this one tomorrow. But down below, point 4 shows that we've had some pretty high volume, triple the normal volume on this stock. Kind of makes me think we're going to bust through that resistance line and continue higher here with Sohu.com. And so just a couple of stocks there on high volume that I wanted to point out to you since we've had low volume across the board on these stocks moving higher. Sohu.com and Schlumberger, I'm going to watch those over the next couple of days here and see if they can continue on and break through resistance. Have a question for you guys out there, though. I want to know who has the best and the worst online trading out there. And are there any that are out there that are must-avoids? I've been a professional trader for over 12 years, and because of that, I've always had my own account with my own broker-dealer and never did the online trading thing. So, honestly, in 12 years, I've missed the whole online trading revolution out there, and hopefully you guys know a little bit about the online trading and point me in the right direction as far as who's got the right prices and the right research platforms and customer service and the sort. Let me know, too, if there's anything out there I must avoid, anything that's out there you guys had bad experiences with and perhaps want to share with me or anybody else so we can avoid them in the future. Please let me know in the comments section down below so we can take a look a little further at this. Thanks again, everybody, for watching, and we'll see you soon. But for now, I'm out of here.